I'm getting to review quite a few of the new Aromatherapy essential oils, and I'm very excited to share these with you all. If you're curious about these or this diffuser, it's actually on sale this weekend, and you can check out that information you know where. But for now, I want to share with you the first two essential oils that I think are very timely for where we are in the cycle of the year. The first is Juniper. Now, Juniper is a conifer, obviously. Really interesting as a plant medicine. It's probably one of the earliest plant medicines, or maybe one of the first that was ever used by humans. And at first, of course, it was put on fires and used for sort of shamanistic purposes, but we also know that juniper is really great for supporting healthy respiration and for supporting something called kidney yang, which is the energy of the kidney, which happens to be compromised in many of us at the end of winter going into spring. So juniper has a beautiful way of helping to balance water elements out in the body, and it is beautiful as a diffused oil. So this one, and I'm very picky about these because I actually distill juniper myself. It is very fresh and not super sweet, so you're not going to smell a lot of the berry smell in this, but you're going to smell more of the needles, the leaves of the juniper. It also has some nice earthiness to it that is very grounding for juniper. So that's really nice, and you can just pop that in to your atomizer here on the Aromatherapy diffuser, lock it in, and then you're good to go. The second oil that I want to share with you today is also really great for this time of year, and that is black spruce. Black spruce, also a conifer. If you think of the doctrine of signatures, the way that a leaf or that the leaves branch out on trees is indicative of the structure of our lungs. So very often we say that tree essential oils are really good to support healthy respiration. And at the end of winter, a lot of people moving into spring actually start to get colds and flus because the resistance of our body is worn down by that time. So black spruce is also going to have the ability to help with healthy respiration. Now, both of these are amazing. You could diffuse them together or alternately in the Aromatherapy diffuser. The black spruce has a particular talent for helping people with like exhaustion and overwork sort of feelings. Whereas juniper is really interesting. Juniper helps to consolidate willpower, and if you have areas in your life that feel stuck and stagnant, you can use juniper intentionally to help you move that energy. So kind of a fresh start for spring. So again, these are on sale for spring, and this is just two of quite a few that I'm going to be reviewing over the weekend, so make sure you stay tuned.